One subscriber of our channel, Your Home Tutor, Irfan, asked us to discuss the topic of percentage. So here it is, and I hope this discussion will be beneficial for everyone. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about percentage. One of my viewer asked me to discuss about percentage. Now, percentage, as the name is very clear, per means out, cent means 100. It means whenever we are doing any calculation out of 100, it is considered as percentage. A very common experience, like we do in our exam systems, if a child is getting 65 marks out of 80, and parents are very much willing about the percent marks, how much he or she is getting. So 65 is the marks obtained, 80 is the total marks. For percentage, whenever we have to calculate, we have to definitely multiply with 100. And by simplification, there are many ways of the simplification, that is 650 upon 8. We can directly simplify with the table of 8, or we can divide 8, 650, 8 8s are 64, 1 is the remainder, 0 again, 8 1s are 8, 2, we'll put the decimal, 8 2s are 16, we'll stop at 1 decimal, and it is 81.2%. This is the most simplest way of doing the calculations of percentage, but there are many ways in which percentages are given and expressed. For example, if a percentage is written like this, for example, if it is written 28%, and you are asked to give it in fraction form or in decimal form, so 28%, definitely whenever the percent sign is there, it means it is out of 100. Now in fraction, definitely we can simplify. 2 14s are 2 50s are, again 2 7s are 725. So in simplest form, in fraction form, 28% is 7 upon 25. But if I have to mention this 28% in decimal form, you have to shift the 2. There are 2 zeros. We know when our number is a complete or a whole number, the decimal is after the number. If 2 zeros are there, the decimal will move to 2 places. So it is 0.28. Again, if we have a fraction 6% like this, 633%, it means 633 upon 100. Now for whole number or for fraction, definitely we have to divide because we cannot cancel. 106 are 600, 33 is the remainder, so it is 6 whole number 33 upon 100. But as far as decimal is concerned, 2 zeros, so decimal will move 2 places, so it is 6.33. Okay, if we have a decimal number like this, for example 0.07, and we are asked to give this in percent, so 0.07, we know when we remove the decimal, 1 comes. How many digits after decimal? 2, so 2 zeros will come. So simply it is 7 upon 100, or in other words we can write 7%. For percentage, your denominator should be 100. Okay, if we have 0.095 and we are asked to give the answer in percentage, so 0.095 upon 1 will come under decimal. How many digits? 1, 2 and 3. Now this is 95 upon 1000. We need only 100 for percentage, but this is 1000. I hope you know how to convert 1000. 100, whenever we'll multiply 100 by 10, we are getting 1000. ठीक है ना? 10 means 1 0, so decimal will move 1 places. We can rewrite as 9.5 upon 100. ये एक 0 decimal ने यहाँ shift कर लिया. Now in percentage it is 9.5%. ठीक है? अगर हमारे पास कोई और एक ऐसा फ्रैक्शन है, for example 6 upon 5, and we have to find out the percentage. Now there are 2 ways. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वे बहुत कॉमन है. हम क्या करते हैं, we'll multiply 6 upon 5 with 100. 5 ones are 20, and it comes out to be 120%. One more method which is very common. We try to convert the denominator in powers of 10 or definitely 100. सबसे बेस्ट तो ये, हमें एक ऐसा नंबर सोचना है जो कि इस नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई तो हंड्रेड्स आ जाए या टेंस आ जाए या थाउजेंड्स में आ जाए, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10 में आए, सो दैट वी कैन कन्वर्ट. 5 बहुत आसान है. वेन एवर विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 by 20 विल गेट 100, बट वी विल नॉट मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर, विल मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज जब हम इन दोनों को कैंसिल करेंगे तो एज इट इज़ 1 आ जाए, वही फ्रैक्शन हमारे पास दोबारा आ जाए. नाउ 6 into 20, 120, this is 100. Now, since the rule of percentage is that the denominator should always be 100, so answer will be 120%. You see, the answer is same, only there are some changes in the method. तो चाहे आप ये method use करें, चाहे आप ये method, most of the books are using this method, some of the books are using this method, both the methods are right. अगर आपसे कहा जाए कि किसी चीज़, फॉर एग्जांपल होता है कि जी कि कोई भी हम आइटम खरीदते हैं उस पर 5% टैक्स लगा हुआ है, 10% टैक्स लगा हुआ है, तो वो कैसे निकालेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमसे कहा जाए कोई एक बिल है, फॉर एग्जांपल आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल है 1200 और इट हैज़ अ टैक्स ऑफ 8%, 8% ऑफ टैक्स. तो कितना परसेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टैक्स लगा? 8% मीन्स 8 upon 100. व्हाट इज़ द बिल? 1200, यानी कि 12 जितना भी बिल है उसका 8% टैक्स लगा है. सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 96, यानी कि आप पे 96 टैक्स इम्पोज हुआ है कि जो भी आपका टोटल बिल होगा उस पर. सो दैट डेफिनेटली योर टोटल अमाउंट विल बी 1200 प्लस 96 एंड इट इज़ 1296. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपसे कहा जाए कि 50% ऑफ, find out the 50% of 75. Now what to do? 50% means 50 upon 100, of means multiply, and 75. Now 50 ones are and 50 twos are. So finally we have 75 upon 2, or in other words we have 37.5. So these are the simple ways of doing the percentages. So I hope you are getting something beneficial from this. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो काइंडली हमारा चैनल योर होम ट्यूटर को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें और अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें. आपकी इसी एनकरेजमेंट के साथ इंशाल्लाह विल कम अप विद मोर एंड मोर न्यू टॉपिक्स. So kindly subscribe the channel Your Home Tutor. Thank you.